Hi, so today Science with Mrs. M is taking on a new look. I have my 3 able assistants with me, and they are going to help me from now on.
My name is Sonic, and I'm 4 years old. My name is Knuckles, and I'm this many.
That's good. 3.
I am Shadow, and I'm 5 years old.
And how old are you going to be, Mr. Chad?
6.
When?
And 44 sleeps.
What's the date
Um,
of your birthday?
uh,
You remember?
February 25. 22.
The activity that we're going to do is we're going to do an experiment using baking soda, food coloring, water, vinegar, and eyedroppers. We're going to see what happens when we put water on top of the baking soda and then vinegar. Okay, so we will get started with that. At Jacob, Benny, and Tate's Science World. Hold on.
No, you mean, why in science? No, she means Martino'S World.
Martino'S World.
Where is my blue paint?
Okay, I gotta get a couple of things. Hold on.
And where's my paint?
No, you're not. Those are not. We're leaving those. Hold on.
I took some out.
That one had too much. Okay, so you gotta make it smooth. Everybody make it smooth. Smooth it down. Smooth it down. You don't want your fingerprints in it. Now, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna see what happens with. I'm gonna give everyone one. Okay. Make it flat though. That's not open. Smooth it out. Benny, yours, Jacob, and Benny, Tate. Okay, everybody's got handprints in it. You gotta smooth it out. Let me show you how. Alrighty, now.
You gotta make a mess of that.
Use a spoon and just kind of smooth it out. Boop, 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 boop. See? That's good. That's good. Now, everyone's we're gonna see what happens. You just want to put a drop like this much, and we're gonna see what happens to it. This is water. What do we think is gonna happen if we just use water? And we put it, and we drop it on the baking soda.
It will explode.
You think so?
I think it will explode.
All right. So take your drop. Yeah, Benny, I'm giving you one. Hold on.
I want blue.
Okay.
Is this one for me?
Yep. Just try a few drops, but leave room for the vinegar one. What's happening? Is it exploding?
No one.
No, it's just okay. Tate, here. You can use what color you want.
It's just blue. Something red, right? Or blue.
Okay.
I'm touching it, Tina.
Okay. This doesn't come off your hand, so try not to touch it.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
That
Go ahead. You
blue.
can put a few more
It's
drops.
that blue.
Tate, here. Here's yours. Stir it up. Stir it up.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, now leave room on one side so we can put the vinegar. No, over there. Good job. What's happening? Let's show our people at home. Okay, so. Whoop! It didn't explode like you thought. So now,
Look at it.
that's pretty. You see, we're going to make a picture. Now.
Oh, I think mine is exploding.
You think yours is exploding?
Yeah.
Now, I think we're going to do the vinegar.
It's not
But the vinegars, we only have red vinegar. Okay? So when you're ready, Jacob, put it in. Get some, you gotta squeeze it, there you go. Now drop it in. Oh, look what happens!
It explodes.
We got bubbles, and when you get bubbles, it tells you what? Who remembers?
Do I get bubbles?
Yeah, put yours in here.
I want to have another drop.
I'm gonna give you another drop, but we gotta share the cups. Look, you gotta squeeze tape.
Tika,
Squeeze
smell,
it.
Tika smells like,
Okay.
what does it smell like?
Vinegar. Oh, Benny, let me get you one, okay?
It smells like experiment display.
So,
do it again.
this is science and art because this is gonna make a nice picture. Here, we're gonna add a little more red to it. A little more red to that. Okay, try that.
But that's vinegar again.
That's the vinegar one, Benny. Woo!
My color quitting me.
Vinegar. Okay, go ahead.
Whoa! I want to make a big pose.
You can.
That's what I'm doing.
You can do it a lot. That's why I
Look
said you.
it!
Woo! Yours get fuzzy too.
Let's see.
Go ahead, Tate. Squeeze it all out. You're doing it good, Tate. Get it. Squeeze. Good.
Whoa!
Wow.
Keep
Look
going.
at you.
This is going to be nice. This is going to be fun. Mine's going to be awesome.
Benny's making his cup.
That's enough.
Do you want to try blue over here?
Yeah.
Good, Jacob? You can have some blue in yours.
Look it!
Woo!
Awesome.
The water doesn't fizz up, right? What happens?
It's so sticky.
Yep, it sinks in.
It smells so good too.
Vinegar.
Mine didn't stink. Going. So awesome. Vinegar. Oh, I'm making that blue.
Bro, you're making a pretty picture.
When it goes on, it just makes this one.
Yep. It does. Do any of them spread out? Does the vinegar spread out? Or does it just bubble up?
Just oh, it's bubbling.
Bubbling up.
It's bubbling.
Oh, so I asked you. See, when you see bubbles, who remembers what happens?
Oh, guys.
What does that tell you when you see bubbles? It's a chemical reaction. Okay? We changed what it was. You did. Oh, you made purple, blue, and red. See, and we got more science. Blue and red. Mix them together. And you get,
Purple.
let's see if we put this in here. If it turns purple. Okay, stir it up. I think it did. Benny, want some in yours? In your red?
Sure. Me too.
Stir it up. Did it make purple?
No, it made brown.
Maybe I didn't put enough. All right, where'd my cup go? Whoops, be careful, Benny. Okay, try that one.
Okay, so I'll put it in here. It made brown.
Is it still bubbling up even though we mixed them?
Yeah, it's still bubbling.
Is it?
Watch this.
Okay.
Look, guys.
Okay, up, up. Okay, we're almost done. Okay, I'm gonna put the timer on, 30 seconds. And for our next science get together, we are gonna use different materials. We're gonna use glue and something else, and we're gonna make puffy snowmen. Okay, but I'm waiting for the other materials. How's that?
Good.
So the next piece of our science activity is what, Jacob? I mean, Shadow. Wait.
Salmon eggs.
Ooh. This boy's into fishing. And this boy's into art.